From the sports station, here's Sports Director Spencer Davidson.
Good evening. A premier matchup tonight took place on the hardwood in Class C as the top two teams in the CSC2 go head-to-head with a little league title aspirations potentially on the line. The Cooperstown Hawkeyes, number 2 in the state, come into this one off their first loss of the year on Friday to Holland Patton. They still sit atop the league standings. Right behind them is Utica Academy of Science, number 6 in the state and looking for a share of the league lead. Picking it up in the second quarter, already a seesaw battle between the two. Calvin Sandler breaks a tie with a strong drive through the lane. 11 points for Sandler on the night. Down the other way, we're back knotted up at 21. Now the Adams take the lead as LaMarcus Merchant dishes off to Drayton Belton for the bucket off the glass. With a minute to go in the half, Cooperstown with it. Sandler hits Jack Lambert on a beautiful backdoor cut. Lambert does the rest. He led Coop with 21. A few seconds left. UAS trying to finish the half strong. Block on one end, break up the floor. Merchant with the no-look dime to Dequan Grant. It'd be 31-26 Adams at the break. In the third, 5-point game in favor of Utica. Offensive rebound for Jesse Fernari out to Ryan Lansing, who launches and hits for 3. It's a 2-point game, 35-33. In the fourth, after a wild 3 quarters, Adams trying to hang on by 8. Here's the exclamation point. Ryan Maddox, get on up, big fella. Absolutely punishing the rim. That was the backbreaker in this one. It was as good as advertised, but behind Maddox's 30, UAS pulls away late and wins 70-56. Over on the girls' side, another important late season league matchup between the first place Little Falls Mounties and second place Frankfort-Schuyler Maroon Knights. First quarter, Little Falls off to a good start. Gina Murati with the takeaway. She gives a bounce pass to Gabby Silstra, who banks it home. Mounties opened up on an 8-0 run. Knights gained some life, though. Cassandra Wardle can't hit from three-point land. Charlotte Rodeo follows it up with a catch-and-shoot putback. Rodeo led the way for Frankfort with 16 tonight. Towards the end of the first, Maroon Knights continue to chip away. Sophia Simmons from the top of the key, off the glass and in for 3 points. 16-9 Little Falls after 1. In the second, give and go between Murati and Xavier Jamie. Murati gets it back and hooks it in. Knights made it a game, but Olivia Langdon was the hero in the second half as she ended up with 20, and the Mounties remain undefeated in league play with a 57-39 win. Also tonight on the he came into tonight needing 13 points to pass 1,000 in her career. Well, she got 24, and that was the moment it happened. Conti led the Indians to a 59-53 win over Dodgeville and finished the game with a total of 1,011 in her career. Congrats to Jordan on the milestone.